Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another amazing episode of Thompson's Adventure and more.
I don't know if you guys saw this video, but it's a one of a kind video, and I want to show the world what the importance of these creatures in our environment and in Jamaica, and how they are protected by law. You can go to prison if you really harm or hurt any of these animals, and also how you can protect yourself.
This video that I'm sharing with you is, these people are catching this humongous creature, and it is very scary, but they handled it well. But what if it went the other way? Today I want to explain to some people how the system works in Jamaica. Now, these animals are protected by NEPA. Now, NEPA is the National Environment and Planning Agency, and we all know in Jamaica, these creatures, they are protected by this agency. Let me just read for you what they have on their website. Now, Jamaica is home to one species of crocodile, and that is the American crocodile, or Crocodilus acutus, found mainly along the south coast and in sections of Hanover and Trelawney. Since 1971, crocodiles have been classified as an endangered protected species in Jamaica. Under Section 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act, it is considered an offense to hunt them or to have in one's possession any part of the animal or their eggs. Under Section 20 of the law, harming or hunting the reptiles can result in fines of up to 100,000 or 12 months in prison. So this thing is very serious, guys. So when you catch these creatures, just turn them over to NEPA and whatever agencies out there to protect them. They will transport them to where to wherever they want to put them or relocate them. Now, the questions are asked, what happened to the crocodile after the guys captured it? It was collected by the agency, and the agency took records of the length of it and what the gender is, and they relocated it to another location. Not sure where the location is because they don't disclose these things. So they relocated it to another location, and the animal is safe. On top of that, these creatures, they have a defense mechanism, and I think this animal in particular that they caught here was very tired, because if it wasn't tired, trust me, it would have put up some resistance to being caught. So watch this. Now, this defense mechanism is called a death roll. Now, if this animal would have done a death roll, it would have been disastrous. Now, to witness the death roll of a crocodile is to witness sheer power and force. Crocodiles will build up before they roll, almost like the way sprinters tense up before bounding off into the race. Now, using their hind legs, they start rolling back to belly over and over until they get tired and wearied. Now, this one wasn't putting up any resistance. Then they start build up again. Here's how they look in action. Now, here's how they look in action. Why they do this? As to why they do this? Four reasons. Subdue prey, eating prey because they can't really chew, right? So they spin and rip off the pieces of the meat, and they fight with other crocs and humans, making a getaway escape. So they will fight with other crocodile just to escape, right? And they will spin and tear off any limbs where the other animal have, or the other crocodile have, just to escape. No, we all know that crocodiles can't chew, so they'll just be like, oh, hell with this, and then they start ripping it to shreds, eating bone and everything. Other times they're fighting with other crocodiles over territory, and they try to rip each other's limbs off. Yeah, you read that right. I mean, old crocs have been found with stubs for legs and a bitten off tail from fights. These creatures, guys, they are very dangerous, they're very vicious, and I think this one in particular was traveling a very long distance. It looked like him that come from Black River, because him not put up no resistance, none at all, you know. So the guys, they caught him and they turned him over to the relevant authorities and they took care of him, and nobody was hurt, nobody was injured in the capturing of this monstrous crocodile. Yes, man.
But guys, as I mentioned before, there's a technique and a way how to catch these creatures. Take a look at this video.
Right out of Lonnie. Hold on. Okay.
They're tired a little bit. Go ahead, jump around.
Kyle's got to go for the jump, but he's got to time it perfectly. And with this croc rolling, he makes one false move. When that animal's spinning, it could mean the loss of a limb.
You got tape? You got to lose one tape.
Good job, Kyle. We're good.
They are cold.
They're slow. Although it looked a little exciting, that was definitely half speed, maybe less.
Okay. Oh,
Alright, so that is it for now, guys. Remember to share the video, like and subscribe, and if you haven't clicked that notification bell, you can do so, and that will tell you the next time I post a video. Ciao for now. Alright, see you next time.